Most people think creating YouTube shorts takes technical skills and expensive equipment. But what if I told you that ordinary people are making a staggering $3,000 plus monthly with just their phones? Here's the exclusive system they desperately don't want you to discover. Ever scrolled through shorts and wondered how these creators are raking in money while you're still watching from the sidelines? I get it. For the longest time, I was trapped in that same loop, consuming content instead of creating it. But then I uncovered something that transformed everything. Today, I'm revealing the proven system I use to create wildly profitable YouTube shorts that generate passive income while I sleep. No fancy equipment, no technical skills, just a foolproof formula anyone can instantly follow.
Come on, we'll just follow my tummy.
Here's the shocking truth about YouTube shorts that nobody tells you. 99% of creators are doing it completely wrong. They're randomly posting whatever content pops into their head with zero strategy for monetization. They waste hours editing a single 60-second video that gets buried by the algorithm. And worst of all, they quit.
I quit.
Right before the money starts flooding in. I know because I made all these costly mistakes myself. I squandered 6 months creating shorts that never made a single dollar. Now, first we see how much we can earn from shorts videos. You will earn 5 to 7 cents for every 1,000 views. Yes, it's a very small amount and also difficult to reach your goal. Here's the main thing. If you select your niche in video randomly like others, you must not achieve the goal. Before its solution, you need to know the easy way of video creation. Let me reveal how to create high-quality shorts without spending a single dime. First, open ChatGPT. Use this exact prompt. Write a 60-second script about budgeting tips for college students. ChatGPT will generate a focused, problem-solving script. Remember, prioritize clear solutions over entertainment. This keeps viewers engaged and ready to follow your advice. Next, create your voiceover. You have 2 free options. Option 1, record yourself, grab your phone, find a quiet space, and read the script aloud. Option 2, use text-to-speech. Go to Free TTS Maker, paste your script, choose a natural sounding voice, and adjust the speed to match your short's pacing, and download the voiceover. Now gather visuals. Head to Pexels or Pixabay. Search keywords from your script like college student studying or budgeting app. Download 5 to 7 clips. For unique images, use Leonardo AI's free tier. Open CapCut, import your voiceover and visuals. Drag clips onto the timeline, aligning them with key moments in your narration. Switch the aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical format. Add simple transitions, fades or wipes between scenes. Click auto captions to generate subtitles. Edit the text for clarity and pick a bold font. Finally, add background music from YouTube Studio's audio library. Avoid CapCut's music to dodge copyright strikes. Export in 1080p and you're ready to upload. Now for the game-changing strategy that took my shorts income from hundreds to thousands overnight. Here's the monetization strategy most shorts creators miss. Strategic affiliate integration. Don't just create random entertainment content. Create content that naturally leads viewers to products that solve their problems. For example, 3 powerful apps that pay you to walk, affiliate links to each app. This revolutionary AI tool writes emails better than humans, affiliate link to the tool. The ingenious gadget that cut my electric bill in half, affiliate link to the product. The key is subtlety. Never make the entire short about the product. Focus on providing genuine value. Then naturally mention the solution as part of your content. Place your affiliate links in. Your profile description, first comment on your shorts link in bio tools like Linktree. This strategy generates $50 to $100 daily, completely passively, even if you don't make any money from AdSense. This free method works, but there's a major problem no one talks about. Here's the brutal truth I discovered after months of creating shorts the free way.
Wow, thanks!
It's incredibly time-consuming. Each short devours 1 to 2 hours to create from scratch. If you're posting daily, which you should for algorithm growth, that's a staggering 30 to 60 hours monthly spent on content creation. And if your time is worth anything at all, that's simply not sustainable.
I don't really feel like.
This is exactly where most creators get stuck. They have the passion and the knowledge, but they don't have 2 precious hours every day to create content. I hit this same frustrating wall, and that's when I uncovered something that completely transformed my approach. What if you could create the exact same quality shorts in just 10 minutes instead of 2 grueling hours? For serious creators who want to scale their shorts channel while reclaiming their time, here's my secret weapon, Pictory AI. All right, there's one AI tool that can handle everything for you in no time with minimal effort. Pictory AI. Just paste your script and click proceed. Pictory will automatically find the best footage that matches your voice. Pretty cool, right? Now let's talk about pricing. They offer different plans, but if you go for the premium one, you get 11 Labs voiceovers included. That means you don't have to spend extra on high quality voiceovers. Plus, if you use the coupon code AMI N, you'll get 20% off on any plan. Once your video is generated, you can make changes if needed. Want different footage? Just search for the type of video you want and select your preferred clip. Need to change the background music? Same process. Browse and pick what fits best. Now, on to the voiceover. Pictory gives you plenty of realistic AI voices to choose from. Select one, click generate, and you're done. Super simple. You can also adjust the music volume, voiceover volume, and subtitle style. Want the video without subtitles? No problem. Just download it without them. And that's it. You've got a high-quality video ready in just a few clicks. It offers 600 minutes per month of video creation. If you create 60-second videos, you will be able to create 600 videos per month. That will cost you only 6 cents for each video. You can also cut off an extra 20% by selecting an annual plan. After analyzing the data from over 500 shorts I've created, I discovered the single biggest factor in shorts success. Consistency absolutely beats perfection every single time. The creators who post one perfect short per week make far less than those who post an imperfect short daily. The algorithm rewards consistency above all else. This is why having a system that lets you create content quickly is absolutely essential. It's not about making the best short ever made. It's about consistently showing up with valuable content that solves problems. The system I've shared today allows anyone, regardless of technical skills or time constraints, to create valuable shorts consistently. And consistency is what will ultimately drive your income. But creating the content is only half the battle. Here's what truly separates profitable shorts from the rest. The secret to maximizing your shorts revenue is publishing across multiple platforms. Each platform has its own monetization system, multiplying your earnings from the exact same content. Manually uploading to each platform is tedious. Instead, use Buffer to automatically schedule and publish your shorts across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Reels, and Pinterest. Optimize posting times for each platform. Track performance metrics in one dashboard. This multi-platform approach typically boosts your revenue by 2 to 3 times with zero additional work. Let's recap the complete blueprint for building a profitable YouTube Shorts channel. Choose between the free method using ChatGPT, free voiceover, stock footage, and CapCut, or the premium method using Pictory AI with code AMEN for a massive 20% off. Create problem-solving content that naturally leads to affiliate products. Publish consistently across multiple platforms using Buffer to maximize exposure. Focus on consistency over perfection. Be patient. Most successful Shorts channels take 60 to 90 days of consistent posting before significant income starts flowing. Follow this system and you can build a YouTube Shorts channel that generates thousands in passive income monthly.